Everyone, welcome back. My name is Glenn. This is Legally Speaking. I want to talk about what happens when somebody turns 18 and what type of estate planning is probably advisable at that time. When someone turns 18 years old in our society, they're considered to be an adult. So there's responsibilities and things that come with that. The first thing that comes to mind for me as far as estate planning is 18-year-old individual probably needs to get themselves some powers of attorney. Until that time, their parents have probably been able to make decisions for them as their guardians related to medical care, medical records, things like that. And a lot of times they still want their parents to be involved in that, even though they're quote unquote adults at that point. In order to be able to do that, they would need a healthcare power of attorney. If they have property that they want their parents to be able to have access to or help them with, property power of attorney would do that for them. I think it's important to get a will. I think it's important for anyone to have a will. But when you're just becoming an adult, it's possible you don't have a lot of assets or things that you think need to be dealt with. But there's a lot that can happen. A lot of unfortunate things happen. And if there's a designation of an executor, that executor can become appointed if something were to happen to that person and pursue claims on behalf of that person and make that process a whole lot smoother. One of the last things that comes to mind for me with newly minted adults is if you have accounts or you have life insurance policies, things like the list beneficiaries, we want to look at those and make sure those beneficiaries are who you want them to be, or if they need to be updated or if they need to be designated. So those are just a few things that I think new adults can think about when it comes to estate planning. It's always good to have a plan. If we can help with any of that, our telephone number is 217-735-1234. Thank you.